Hey guys, it's me and I'm recording this video because I'm really excited for something because I have a package right here and I'm gonna be unboxing it. So alright, well, I'm gonna start unboxing it now. Oh wow! So guys, like and subscribe or else. Okay, yes. Okay, I don't need this package anymore. And here we go, here it is. I have here 6 plush of Garten of Banban, guys. I'm so excited, guys. Oh my goodness, they are so cool. Let's start. Wow, guys, look, Jumbo Josh is here, guys. He looks pretty good, guys. For me, it's one of the best characters of Garten of Banban, guys. He's no bad, he's cool guy. Oh, that is so crazy, guys. And then there is the BanBan plushie. He's a bad guy. That's all for him. We got Stinger Flynn here. Kind of looks like a jellyfish or something. It's like an orange jellyfish. Dang, looks pretty good. Let me know what you think, guys. Wow, guys, look, Banboleena. She looks pretty good, guys. For me, it's the best character of Garten of Banban, guys. Crazy, so crazy, guys. Dang. And then there is bird plushie. Opila or however you say it, guys. That's crazy. And then this one. And then we get Kevin and Fiddles, guys. This is crazy. Yeah. Anyway. It's crazy anyway. So guys, like and subscribe or else. See you guys.